Seniors, if your feet feel cold, tingly, numb, or heavy when you walk, listen closely. Your body is trying to warn you that your circulation needs help, and ignoring these early signs can lead to bigger problems down the road. Just one simple cup of tea a day can help boost blood circulation in your legs and feet, sometimes in as little as 24 hours. And no, it's not the tea most people think it is. Today, I'll show you the 7 best teas for circulation, ranked from those that offer gentle support to the most powerful option at number 1, the one you'll definitely want to start drinking today. Hey there, Dr. Alpha here with Alpha Vitality, your trusted place for simple, science-backed tips to help you stay active, strong, and independent. Poor circulation in the legs and feet is incredibly common as we age, but the good news is certain teas contain compounds that help relax your blood vessels, improve blood flow, and warm up your extremities. Here's what we're uncovering today. A look at the 7 most effective teas for boosting circulation, why they work, and how you can easily add them to your daily routine for warmer, more comfortable legs and feet. All right, let's start with number 7. A gentle tea that won't skyrocket your circulation, but does play a surprisingly important role in preparing your body for better blood flow. 7. Chamomile Tea, the relaxation tea that quietly opens your circulation. Chamomile is not the strongest circulation booster, but it plays a more important role than most people realize. When your body is stressed, your blood vessels tighten, making it harder for blood to move down into your legs and feet. Chamomile naturally calms your nervous system and helps your muscles relax, which allows your vessels to open more fully. Many seniors also struggle with nighttime tension or restlessness, and a calm body at night means better circulation while you sleep. Chamomile also contains antioxidants that gently support heart and vessel health over time. Drink 1 cup an hour before bed to relax your body, sleep more deeply, and create the perfect environment for healthier blood flow. Now, let's move into a tea that actually stimulates your circulation instead of just relaxing it. This next one is warm, energizing, and great for cold feet. 6. Rosemary Tea, the herbal circulation stimulator seniors have used for centuries. Rosemary has a long history of being used as a natural circulatory stimulant, and for good reason. Its active compounds, including rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, help your blood vessels relax and expand, allowing warm, oxygen-rich blood to reach your legs and feet more easily. Many seniors notice their toes or ankles stay cold, even when the rest of their body feels comfortable. And that's often because circulation slows down in the smaller vessels. Rosemary supports better microcirculation, helping those areas warm up faster. It also contains antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from everyday wear and tear. And because rosemary can gently stimulate mental alertness, seniors often feel a light boost in energy after drinking it. A cup in the morning or early afternoon can gently wake up your circulation and give your legs a refreshed, energized feeling. If you're looking for something with a bit more scientific backing, the next tea is familiar, easy to find, and surprisingly effective for supporting healthy arteries. That brings us to tea number 5. 5. Black tea. The everyday artery-supporting tea you're probably already drinking. Black tea is one of the world's most popular teas, yet most people don't realize how beneficial it is for circulation. It contains a rich supply of flavonoids, plant compounds that help improve the flexibility and strength of your blood vessels. As we age, arteries naturally become stiffer, making it harder for blood to travel all the way down into the legs and feet. Black tea supports healthier vessel elasticity, which helps restore smoother, more efficient blood flow. It may also support healthier cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation, both of which play a major role in circulation quality. Seniors who drink black tea regularly often report warmer feet, better walking endurance, and less heaviness in the legs. 1 to 2 cups a day is enough to support vessel health. If caffeine affects your sleep, try drinking it earlier in the day. Now, let's step into one of the most beloved, heart-supporting teas on earth, one that's especially friendly to older adults and extremely effective. 4. Hawthorn Tea, the heart-strengthening tea that helps blood reach your legs. Hawthorn has earned its title as the heart herb because it supports nearly every part of your cardiovascular system. It helps your heart pump blood more efficiently, which means stronger circulation to the legs and feet, an area many seniors struggle with due to reduced cardiac output. Hawthorn contains flavonoids and oligomeric procyanidins, which may help improve artery elasticity, reduce stiffness, and promote better oxygen delivery throughout the body. Seniors dealing with tired, heavy legs or swelling may notice they feel lighter after drinking Hawthorn regularly. It can also help calm the cardiovascular system, easing mild pressure or tightness in the chest. Enjoy 1 cup during the day. If you take heart medications, talk with your doctor to ensure it fits safely into your routine. Before we move into the top 3 teas, including the most powerful tea for circulation, if you're finding this video helpful so far, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new senior health video. Your support really helps us reach more seniors who need this information. Now, I've shared a lot about teas today, and they're wonderful tools for supporting circulation. But here's something I need to be honest with you about. While these teas can absolutely help, many seniors find the daily routine difficult to maintain, or they simply don't enjoy the taste of some of these herbal options. If that sounds like you, I want to share something that's been making a real difference for people in our community. It's called Moringa Magic, and it's a supplement I personally recommend to seniors who want the circulation benefits we've been talking about, plus a whole lot more, without having to brew multiple teas throughout the day. Here's why I think you should know about it. Moringa is called the miracle tree for a reason. It's one of the most nutrient-dense plants on Earth, packed with vitamins A, C, and several B vitamins, plus calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. But what really matters for circulation is this. Moringa is rich in powerful antioxidants that help protect and relax your blood vessels, reduce inflammation, and support healthy blood pressure. All the things we need for better blood flow to our legs and feet. In fact, research shows that Moringa can help with many of the same circulation issues we've been discussing, including supporting heart health, reducing inflammation in the arteries, and improving overall cardiovascular function. Many seniors who take it report warmer feet, lighter legs, and better energy throughout the day. What I really appreciate about Moringa Magic is that it gives you all these benefits in a simple capsule form. No brewing, no bitter taste, no trying to remember which tea to drink when. Just 2 capsules once a day, and you're supporting your circulation along with your bone health, brain function, digestion, and immune system all at once. And because I know trust is important, Moringa Magic comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't feel the difference, warmer feet, better energy, lighter legs, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. If you've been struggling with circulation and want a simple, all-in-one solution that goes beyond just tea, I've put a link in the description below where you can learn more about Moringa Magic and see if it's right for you. It's made right here in the USA, it's non-GMO, gluten-free, and GMP certified for quality. Alright, now we're entering the top 3 teas, and these are the heavy hitters. If you've been struggling with cold feet, leg cramps, or poor circulation, these next teas can make a noticeable difference. 3. Ginger tea, the warmth-boosting tea that sends blood flowing to your feet. Ginger is famous for creating warmth in the body, and that sensation comes from its ability to naturally widen your blood vessels. When your vessels relax and expand, more blood flows freely into your lower legs, ankles, and feet. This can help reduce coldness, numbness, and the heavy, dragging feeling many seniors experience when circulation slows down. Ginger also provides anti-inflammatory benefits, which helps keep your blood moving smoothly instead of encountering resistance from stiff or irritated vessels. Many seniors notice that ginger tea provides immediate comfort, especially on chilly mornings or after long periods of sitting. A cup in the morning is a great way to kickstart your circulation for the day and warm your body from the inside out. Now we're getting into the real powerhouses, teas with strong research behind them. Number 2 contains antioxidants so powerful they can improve blood vessel function within just a few hours. 2. Green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse that improves blood vessel function fast. Green tea is one of the most thoroughly researched teas for heart and blood vessel health. Its powerful antioxidants, especially catechins like EGCG, help your vessels relax and widen, allowing blood to flow more freely down into your legs and feet. This is especially important for seniors dealing with poor circulation, chronic cold feet, or slow healing in the lower extremities. Studies show that green tea can improve endothelial function, the ability of your vessels to open and close properly within hours of drinking it. This makes it one of the fastest-acting teas on the list. It also helps support healthy blood pressure and reduces inflammation throughout the vascular system. Drink 1 to 2 cups earlier in the day, and choose a low-caffeine variety if you're sensitive to stimulants. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The tea that delivers the fastest, strongest circulation benefits. and the one I recommend most for seniors looking for quick improvement. 1. Hibiscus Tea, the #1 tea for circulation. The deep red tea that lowers pressure and supercharges blood flow. Hibiscus tea stands out as the most powerful tea for circulation support, and it's one of the few teas with strong research showing measurable improvements in cardiovascular health. Its natural compounds help lower blood pressure by relaxing the walls of your arteries, making it easier for your heart to pump blood throughout your body, especially down into your legs and feet. This improved blood flow can help reduce coldness, tingling, and that heavy feeling many seniors experience when circulation slows. Hibiscus is also rich in anthocyanins, the deep red antioxidants that protect your blood vessels from damage and inflammation. These compounds help strengthen your arteries, support smoother circulation, and reduce stiffness over time. Many seniors notice that after drinking hibiscus consistently, their feet feel warmer, their legs feel lighter, and they have better comfort during daily activities. Because hibiscus acts as a gentle, natural diuretic, it can also help reduce swelling in the lower legs and ankles, a common circulation issue. For best results, enjoy 1 cup a day, either hot or chilled. Many people feel relief and improved warmth within hours to days. Today, you learned how 7 simple teas can help relax your blood vessels, improve circulation, and warm your legs and feet. Each one supports your body in a different way, but together they give you natural, everyday tools to help you feel better and move with more comfort. Small habits really do make a big difference. 1 cup of tea each day may seem simple, but over time it can support healthier blood flow and better leg comfort. Always check with your doctor before adding new teas regularly, especially if you take medications. And remember, every positive step you take is a step toward a stronger, healthier version of yourself. Circulation problems can feel worrying, especially when your legs cramp, your feet turn cold, or you feel that heavy, dragging sensation when you walk. Which of these teas are you planning to try first? And what circulation symptoms have you personally experienced? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might be the encouragement someone else in our community needs. And if this video surprised you or made you think of a friend or family member who's been struggling with leg pain or cold feet, please share it with them. A simple share could be the moment that helps someone finally understand what their body has been trying to tell them. If you want to keep improving your circulation and protect your long-term heart health, don't stop here. In the next video, I break down the 7 warning signs of blocked arteries in the legs and feet, the subtle red flags most seniors overlook until the problem becomes serious. It's an eye-opening guide that can help you catch issues early and stay ahead of potential complications. Click here to watch it now.